I'm not gay, and I don't have a problem with gay people, but I have to be honest. I used to have a big problem because remember, I'm straight, right? And I used to have a big problem if a gay guy became a crush kum, yabo. Like at first, it didn't usually like bother me, yabo. Like let's say they shoot they shot with DMs kanye face to face umbona hayi ngicwasile kodwa le jab. Like at first like that ngayimindeli, but as time went by, let's say andixela amajita okanye ngixela lo mntu uyabona, the response that I would often get is ndobana, if you are a straight guy and ufuna ngabantu abagay abaninzi, it means ba ukwi-closet and now you are still going to come out. And that used to piss me off so much. Like whenever kukumdo gay I would be so pissed off. Like even nyanyisa lando, I have to be honest. Then you know, like this other day recently, man next door. I'm like, it's anaba sifike njani le topic. Khane mnqabe yiwatsho ngende wenyanya lena bakubekwe out and crush leyo. Ithi nobana wenyanya ndoni didama nongugqinga uyi out ngosizofunana nami. Athi yena ba mamela khani kufaka esikolweni. Esisikole nifake kuzo sesiza kufaka sona. Le pisa ngisikele yona lenza nisikela yona. Uthi into bana, when someone is gay, let's be honest, they cannot control how they feel. Yeah, boy, they cannot control who they like and they don't like. Same with us, I'm another straight. I cannot control which girl I like and which girl I don't like. Inhliziyo phakela. Yeah, boy, as the saying says. So he was like, they cannot control themselves. What I can do is to understand and about okay, lo mjita ugay, uyanifuna but mina andimfuni. Now instead of being rude, I can just turn them down kakuhle, because kaloku siyakhula ngoku, mature and stuff. So understand it yoba umjita ogay xa ekufuna akazenzi, nyabo, akazenzi like dog. So now I just turn them down nicely, qhubeke nempilo. And yonke lento of ndobana, like if umjita uyakufuna okay ube wena straight, it means by you when as a straight guy we close it and you're still gonna come out. That's lies. That's just pure lies. It's just like a joke, yeah, bo. And like you might be asking yourself, but why am I doing if it were engine and titelela abantu abagay kodwa ndi straight? Well, content yam, I know that I joke around every now and then, but if you're kapela, most of the videos that I hear, I'm always trying to teach you guys something, yeah, bo. And while I'm teaching you something, while we're also laughing together and all that stuff, I believe that I am the voice of the voiceless. And like one thing about me, it's not backbone, and I'm proud of my backbone. If into ndibelieve kuyo, ndiyibona ngolu hlobo ndiyibona ngalo, njengale topic sithatha ngayo namhlanje, yinyani yam leyo. And kule nyani yam, ndimile kule nyani yam, and andisuki. Noba ngathiwa amajita 1000, they disagree with me. It's fine. Yinyani yam lena. I believe in this and I will stick to this. Ndine backbone. Life inafuneka ngobe ngumuntu soloko uyabo xa abantu besithi nawe uthi funeka ube ne morals, ne values. Ukube ne backbone man uqine indoda. Ewe ke ngoluki but ubone qine indoda. Bene backbone, bene morals ne values. Siyazi neba okay wena awuzenzi nezinje uyazenza. Siven? Yeah, I hope Siven. Onganvai, hi. Kana basandiva